What if the apps designed to connect us are the ones quietly fueling our anxiety? Imagine scrolling through feeds, and instead of feeling left behind, you feel calm, clear, and in control. Stick with this video. Let's flip social media from a stressor into your secret advantage. Chapter 1. Why social media fuels anxiety. Let's be honest. Scrolling on social media should be fun, but more often it feels like a competition. Notifications, likes, trending posts, and don't forget the highlight reels that make everyone else look like they're winning life. Behind every happy selfie or viral success, there's pressure to measure up, and our minds absorb it all. Why does this happen? Because our subconscious mind, which is built to protect us and seek acceptance, reacts to virtual comparisons as if they're real threats. The glitch. Our brains haven't evolved fast enough for the digital world. The same wiring that helped our ancestors survive is now on overdrive with every ding and ping. Chapter 2. Mind hack number 1. Curate your input. What you see, you become. Start by curating your feed. Follow accounts that inspire, educate, or bring joy. Unfollow or mute profiles that trigger stress, comparison, or negativity. Your social media should support your self-esteem, not erode it. Think of this as digital gardening. Tend the feeds that nourish you, remove weeds of negativity, and watch your mindset bloom. Remember, your attention is valuable. Don't waste it on things that make you anxious. Chapter 3. Mind hack. Number 2. Set boundaries. Practice mindful usage. Social media is addictive by design. Set conscious boundaries. Decide how much time is healthy for you. Use phone features like screen time or digital well-being to schedule breaks. Try a social media detox for a few hours or maybe a whole day each week. Turn off notifications. Why let your phone decide when you should feel anxious? Claim your control back. Your peace of mind doesn't need constant interruption. Chapter 4. Mind hack number 3. The spotlight fallacy buster. Ever feel like everyone's watching your posts, judging your every move? That's the spotlight fallacy. Thinking the world is paying more attention to us than they really are. Truth. Most people are focused on their own lives. Use this hack. Next time anxiety spikes, remind yourself, everyone's the star of their own show. Suddenly, the pressure lifts. Chapter 5. Mind hack number 4. Reframe what-ifs. Social media anxiety loves playing what-if games. What if they don't like my post? What if I say something awkward? Flip the script with the what if up technique. Ask yourself, what if I help someone today? Or, what if people relate to my experience? This positive reframing calms your mind and gives your subconscious permission to show up authentically. Chapter 6. Mind hack number 5. Pattern interrupts and mindful observation. Every anxious thought is a pattern trying to run the old program. Catch yourself mid-scroll with a pattern interrupt. Stop, take a deep breath, and notice your surroundings. Say, I'm choosing peace right now. This rewires your subconscious. Over time, anxiety loses its grip. Mindful observation is another trick. Notice your body's signals when anxiety hits. Is your heart racing? Shoulders tense? Bring attention to your breath, relax your muscles, and reset before plunging back into the feed. Chapter 7. Mind hack number 6. Self-compassion in a digital age. Social media makes it easy to judge ourselves harshly, but real mental strength is rooted in self-compassion. Practice kinder self-talk and forgive mistakes or awkward moments. Every person online faces doubt, weird comments, or cringe posts sometimes. Laugh it off. No one's keeping score. Chapter 8. Mind hack number 7. Contribution over perfection. Shift your focus from how do I look to how can I contribute. Your posts, comments, and shares can help someone, teach, uplift, or make them smile. When you focus on contribution, your subconscious feels empowered, not anxious. Perfection is an illusion. Connection is what counts. Chapter 9. Mind hack number 8. Tech burnout busters. Social media anxiety is often fueled by tech burnout. Plan regular offline activities, photo walks, exercise, journaling, or hanging out with friends. Replace scrolling with skill building, creativity, or movement. Something that makes your body and mind feel alive. Chapter 10. Mind hack number 9. The digital detox routine. Try this. Pick one day each week to limit screen time and track your progress. Replace online activity with offline joy, reading, nature walks, or cooking. If you catch yourself doom scrolling, pause and ask, what can I do right now that feeds my well-being? Chapter 11. Mind hack number 10. Gratitude and positivity practices. Before bed, write down 3 positive moments from your day or things you're grateful for. Specificity wins. My friend sent me a kind message, or I enjoyed my coffee break outside. A 30-day streak transforms your brain's tendency to highlight anxiety and brings focus to positivity instead. Chapter 12. Subconscious techniques for anxiety. Relief. Use visualization. Picture yourself navigating social media confidently and joyfully. Imagine negative comments or comparisons brushing off you, like leaves in the wind. Tell your subconscious, I am safe, I am confident, I am enough. Repeat these affirmations daily. Hypnotherapy, CBT, and guided meditations also help when anxiety needs deeper attention. There's no shame in seeking professional support. Your mind deserves care. Social media isn't going away, so the real power is learning to master your mind, not just your feed. Your subconscious mind can be trained, like a muscle. With every positive tweak, you build resilience, peace, and confidence for the digital age. Anxiety in a social media world is tough, but you don't have to fight it alone. With these mind hacks, from mindful input, boundaries, and reframing, to gratitude, movement, and digital detoxes, you can beat anxiety and thrive. Choose what works for you. Practice regularly, and trust your subconscious to back you up. If these mind hacks helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more science-backed mental wellness videos, and comment below, which hack will you try first? Share your experience, and let's build a community of calm, confident digital creators. Remember, comparison is the thief of joy. Let's choose connection, confidence, and calm, online and off. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.